At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hey Wayne, I've been looking at some industry data about deferred HVAC maintenance costs. The numbers are pretty striking. What insights can you share about the real financial impact?
Perfect timing, Zach. With facilities increasing their ventilation and filtration requirements, understanding those costs is critical. Did you know that studies show that poorly maintained HVAC systems can increase energy consumption by 30 to 60%? That impact can add to be thousands of dollars per month for a typical commercial building.
Those are significant numbers. How does this translate to the workplace productivity?
The research is eye-opening. According to the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health, workplace performance drops by 4% for every degree above 75 degrees. When you factor in neglected HVAC systems that often cannot maintain a consistent temperature, you're looking at productivity losses of up to 10% during those temperature fluctuations.
Can you put that into perspective for our manufacturing clients?
Absolutely. For a medium-sized manufacturing facility with 100 employees averaging about $30 an hour in labor costs, temperature-related productivity losses can exceed $24,000 per month. But here's the real kicker. When HVAC system failure forces a complete shutdown, the costs are staggering. In a single day, downtime in the automotive industry, for example, can cost upwards of $2 million.
Wow. What about healthcare facilities? Can they afford downtime at all?
Healthcare is particularly critical. A single operating room generates an average of $7,000 in revenue per hour. When HVAC failures compromise air quality or temperature control in those spaces, those rooms cannot be used. One study found that hospitals lose an average of $130,000 per day when they have to shut down one single surgical room due to HVAC issues.
It sounds like deferred maintenance is actually one of the most expensive business decisions a facility can make.
Exactly. According to the Building Owners and Managers Association, BOMA for short, every dollar deferred in HVAC maintenance ultimately costs $4 in capital repairs. But what many don't realize is that the proper preventive maintenance can reduce energy costs by 15 to 20%, while extending equipment life by 30 to 40%.
What are the indoor air quality implications? That's a major concern for many of my clients now.
The EPA has found that indoor air pollution levels can be 2 to 5 times higher in buildings with poorly maintained HVAC systems, which cost employers an average of $2,650 per employee annually. Plus, research shows that improved ventilation can increase productivity by 61%.
Those statistics really drive home the importance of proactive maintenance. What immediate steps should facility managers take?
The key is implementing a comprehensive preventive maintenance program. Studies show that these programs can reduce unexpected breakdowns by up to 75% and extend equipment life by 40%. Our data indicates that the clients who implement our preventive maintenance programs see an average return on investment of 545% over the equipment lifespan.
Thanks, Wayne. These numbers make a compelling case for prioritizing HVAC maintenance.
They certainly do. Remember, in today's operational environment, HVAC maintenance is not a cost. It is an investment with measurable returns in energy savings, productivity, and equipment longevity. To discover how proactive HVAC maintenance can protect your facility and maximize your ROI, reach out to your Campbell Solutions provider. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.